So as you all know, we have the best pancake recipes over here, and I've showed you my pancake recipes a couple of times. So if at all you're not familiar with it, you should probably check it out because it's the best. So in today's episode, we are going to be having a little twist, and we are going to be baking our pancake batter recipe. And from this corner, I have my self-raising flour. If you do not have the self-raising, you can use all-purpose, then add some baking powder. I have some sugar, I have some salt, some vanilla essence, I have 1 egg, some milk, and in today's recipe, we are not going to be using milk and water. We are just going to be using milk alone, but you can also use milk and water. And then finally I have some cooking oil. And without further ado, let's get started. As I always mention, this is a recipe that took some time to perfect, and everything is well measured out. So if at all you want the list of ingredients, please check out the description box for more information. So I'm just going to mix all my dry ingredients first, then I can go in with my wet ingredients. Now that I'm happy with this, I'll go in with my wet ingredients, all of them. Then I'm going to whisk this till everything is well combined. So as you see, it was that simple, and that's pretty much it. And this is what I normally make my pancakes with, and they give very delicious pancakes. So we are going to be testing this, and we are going to be putting this to the test, and we are going to bake a cake using this. So I'll put that aside. Then I'm going to grease my baking tin with some cooking oil. You can also use margarine or butter to grease your baking tin. So this is also a very important step, and it will ensure that your cake does not stick. Then for the bottom part, I'm going to line it with some parchment paper, and in the meantime my oven is preheating at 170 degrees. Then I'm going to bake this in an oven preheating at 170 degrees till when you insert a skewer or a toothpick at the center, it comes out clean. So finally, my cake is done, and you can see how beautiful it looks. So you can have it as it is, but I'm going to frost mine with some whipped cream. Then I'm going to top it up with some coconut flakes, but this is totally optional. So finally, let's get to give this a taste test, and I'll tell you exactly how it tastes like. This is such a delicious cake, and remember, we made this cake out of our pancake batter recipe, and this means that this is such a bomb recipe. You definitely have to try it out. The only down part to it is that it's a little bit dense. As you can see here, as I was cutting, I formed this line over here, but the cake is fully well done, but it's a little bit dense, but it's also delicious, very delicious. In fact, if you do not have a cake recipe, you can stick to this cake recipe and it will never disappoint you. So that's pretty much it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you're going to try this recipe and let me know how you find it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.